From Lamborghini to McLaren, these new 15% tariffs on sports cars wasn't as bad as some expected, but it could cause even some of the wealthiest buyers to hold off on purchasing a new car. Our Robert Frank is live from Pebble Beach this morning with that story. Morning, Robert.
Carl, great to see you. Well, classic cars are exempt from tariffs. So this 1969 Lamborghini, estimated at $2 million, would only pay the existing 2.5% duty, so they wouldn't pay any extra tariffs. But a new Lamborghini is going to cost you a lot more. We talked to the CEO of Lamborghini yesterday, who said that right now, Lamborghini buyers are paying 27.5%. So that's the 2.5% existing, plus the 25% tariff that was announced back in March. Now, you might remember we did a deal with the European Union for a 15% tariff, but that has not taken effect yet. Take a listen.
The point is that all the cars that we are delivering now, they are sold already in the last year or even before that. So it's clear that if the things change, we have to be flexible. And together with our partners, the dealers, there's a lot of flexibility.
And I also spoke with the CEO of Rolls-Royce yesterday. They're subject to 10% tariffs because the UK did that special deal with the US. They haven't said exactly who's going to pay that. Again, they're in a similar situation where customers are taking deliveries of cars they may have ordered a year or two ago. But they have guaranteed pricing for Rolls-Royce buyers who bought, let's say, a year ago. But they are expecting to probably raise all their prices next year, another sort of 5, 6, or even 7% more than normal to make up the difference. So a lot of confusion, a lot of ever-changing numbers, which is why Carl and the other folks there is why the wealthy buyers are really sort of on pause right now, both for the new cars as well as the classic car market, where a lot of business owners still are grappling with some of this uncertainty.
Robert, how does that fit in with, I guess, what we're seeing more broadly in luxury? I know it's been kind of spotty, and whether it is tariffs or, like you say, just a little more of a hesitation.
Yeah, I think the luxury business is obviously a lower price point, but across the board, no matter how wealthy you are, you care about money. You care about what you spend. And if you think there's a chance that this tariff, this extra money you're paying, whether it's for a $400,000 Lamborghini or a $10,000 Chanel bag, if that number is going to change, could go up, could go down, you're probably just going to say, look, I'm going to wait until this settles down. And that's what we're seeing in luxury, in classic cars, and in new cars.
It's interesting, Robert, on a day where we're seeing all-time highs on the Dow and the S&P. We normally talk about the wealth effect, but it's a little more complicated this time. I look forward to seeing you all day long.
Exactly.
Robert Frank out at Pebble Beach.